In today's exercise, I'm going to demonstrate how to do a leg lift. This is a great exercise that activates the core. Now, the best thing about this exercise is that you don't need any weight at all, okay? So you can do this exercise at home, in the office, pretty much anywhere you go. But the only thing you need really, and this is mostly just for comfortability, is a mat, all right? So the first thing you want to do is go ahead, lay down on your back, fully extend your legs. You want to take your hands and place them underneath your butt, just like this, okay? Now with the head, I want to bring my head up, keep my legs together, and barely touch the ground when I'm coming up, and then come all the way up like this, okay? And you're going to feel a lot of activation in the abs. Just like this. This is how you do a leg lift.